In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the YouTube downloader on the Everest panel. First, ensure you're logged into your broadcaster dashboard. From the left pane, click on YouTube Downloader. The YouTube Downloader lets you download YouTube videos and convert them to MP3 format. The converted files are saved in your station file manager under the YouTube Downloads directory. Notably, the YouTube Downloader supports both pausing and resuming downloads, and it can handle both single YouTube URLs and playlists. To begin the download, simply insert a single YouTube video link or a playlist link, and then click the Download button. You can monitor the progress with the YouTube download status. Once the download process is complete, you can locate the downloaded files in the Media Manager within the YouTube Downloads directory. From there, it's easy to add these files to your playlist and broadcast them on your station as desired. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website at www.everestpanel.com.